I'm Max Dalton, and in this video I'll show you how to set the iPhone camera control button to open Snapchat instead of the camera app. The only requirement is that you have the Snapchat app installed on your iPhone. Step 1. Open the Settings app on your iPhone. Step 2. Scroll down this menu and then tap Camera. The camera menu opens. Step 3. Find the System Settings section and then tap Camera Control in this section. The Camera Control menu is displayed. Step 4. Scroll down to the bottom of this menu to the section where you can choose which app opens when you click Camera Control, and then tap to place a check mark next to Snapchat. The Camera Control button will open Snapchat whenever you click it going forward. Let me know if this video helped you out in the comments below. If you liked what you saw here, click the video links on the right side of the screen to check out another video. Or click the logo on the left side of the screen to check out my tutorial website at www.maxdalton.how.